When we're starting out with intuitive art, one of the things we want to do is rely on words, and words of a high vibration. So this week we're going to do two exercises, one with the word trust. And as you know, one of the cards is called trust. So I'd like you to take your trust card and put it, this is the original, and put it underneath your sketch paper. And you write the word trust, you have the card underneath, and then I want you to think about something in your life that you want to bring toward you, and you need faith, and you need conviction and prayer and strength to have it come to you. So what you're going to do is just let that word trust take you wherever it goes. And it could be abstract, it could be illustrative, whatever comes to mind. And you can let go of the word trust once you get started. It's just a seed to get your art going, and use any medium that you like. That's part one.